what are your thoughts on abortion?
In the biz.
Found out she's been sexually active.
My ex is just like, oh my god, like I don't want any boy to like ruin her. I want to appreciate me. Like I know there's someone better, if that makes sense, out there. Know me, the type of person I am. I'm very emotional. I'll probably cry. Yeah, I'm a twin.
You're a twin.
Yeah.
You actually had your first kiss at 16.
Yeah. To be Maggie's conversation. Tell my dad about you. It's like, oh shit.
Been through a heartbreak. After sex, yeah. Did you feel disappointed?
Square and I hustle for the money. Yeah, she knows I'm that Donny. Fake vibes, yeah, that's corny. All my niggas really grinding for the job. See, I don't want no trouble. Peaceful life with love
and I'm back with another hair video. So today's video, I'm going to be installing this hair, and it's just going to be an installation video. I love this unit so much. It's just so gorgeous. Like, can we deep it? I'm telling you guys, highlighted wigs are just so in right now. Like, everyone wants to get hold of highlighted wigs. And so this video is sponsored by Sofeel. They kindly sent me this beautiful highlighted unit. If you can see, beautiful unit. And I love it so much. Obviously, I've had this hair for about a month, and I must say I love this unit so much. Like, it's just my go-to wig that I wear. So obviously I don't have the box, but the box came in with this gold packaging, and it came with like a bonnet, which I've been wearing non-stop, and it came with some wig cap, you know, and a cute clip, which I really like. The packaging was cute as well. It was very different, which I really like about them. The unit is a 13x4 straight 24 inches. I got my hair braided back and then I got it curled. So I'm going to show you some videos. I really love that. I love it. It really holds curls. When I got it installed and everything, I had to go somewhere, so I was in a rush, and their curls hold so long. It basically hold the whole day, and then the next day it was still curly but obviously flat. Shine of this hair, like obviously I did wash this hair and I used my heat protecting oil. This hair naturally just looks shiny and just flowy. Like, look at the flow. Look, guys, it's like water. Guys, Golden Shakur loves this hair. As I said again, this hair I wear non-stop. Like, it's my go-to wig right now. And if you are looking for a really nice affordable highlighted wig, definitely Sofeel hair. I literally approve, guys. I wouldn't give you not good hair. Obviously I've had this hair for a month, so like I know the pros and cons. Like, I know the hair inside out. It's always shiny. I just love it. Like, wow. So yeah, this is the hair I've been rocking on my Instagram. And so everyone keeps asking, where did you get this hair from? Where did you get this hair from? Now you know. If you guys enjoyed this video, I just want to say thank you for Sofeel for sending me this lovely unit. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be slightly different because my little sis is going to install my hair for me for the first time. I don't think you've ever done it. She's actually like freaking out right now, and she's going to be asking me some like personal questions, so questions that she'll be afraid to ask me. But even though the girl, she's not scared of anything.
Of course.
So you ready?
Yes. Let's go. Off your wig. What are your thoughts on abortion?
Obviously, I feel like if it's needed, it's needed. And I genuinely feel like if you need to take that step, take it. If you don't and you want to, you know, deal with it heads on, then you can. There's a reason why there's an abortion. Hair stuff from Maggie, yeah, on your birthday. I'm just going to give you like bare stuff because you actually need it.
Yeah.
I need it, but I don't want it.
You need it, babe.
I don't want it. Please don't go embarrassing for me to get you.
Do you know what, yeah? I'm going to get so much. What's it? Straighteners. Oh. You're going to straighten it, like. So, okay, so tell me what you're doing right now. Like,
Okay.
You didn't want to tell me she made me gizzard.
what's on?
You didn't tell me.
I don't know.
Basically, on the head we have a right side parting with the edges.
Ooh, yeah, she gave me that
Sweep edges, and it looks pretty nice. We're making it straight.
Yeah, obviously because I crimped it, but I really want it straight now. And I really like the way she melted my
Period.
my lace.
Like
where's the lace?
Where's the lace? Tell me. How did you do in your GCSEs? Like your grades? Like, did you pass?
Didn't do well, but I don't even remember. So long ago. I know that I got like all C's, and I think I got 1 D. No, I got a B in RE, and for Maths and English I got a C. I scraped it. I can't lie, guys, like I'm not really like
a school person.
Yeah, but I scraped it. Like, I'm in uni, I'm in my final year. Like, I never thought I'd be in uni right now, but yeah, like your sis, I don't know how she did it, but she did it. Yeah, but I advise you to like get the best possible grades as possible. And because like literally in secondary school, I just didn't care. Your mom weren't really like strict with like homework and stuff. Like, be like, oh yeah, do your homework, but like obviously I wouldn't do it. Yeah.
Okay, sister. What would you like react if you found out she's been sexually active?
I'm very close
How
to my
old is she?
She's 18.
Yeah.
But the thing is with me, like she's like my youngest, so like when I see her, I just see her that she's just like a little kid to me. Like just anyways, we're very close, and obviously we're very close, and my ex is just like, oh my god, like I don't want any way to like ruin her, like break her heart, because it's just like I know how boys are, and it's just like it just makes me feel a bit like, oh my god, you just burnt me.
Oh, sorry.
I just want to give her the best advice I could possibly give her. Obviously, like,
wait, you have an older sister?
yeah, I do, but we're not that close. I do tell her things, but I won't tell her like personal shit.
Alright, you know when you, let's say you were pregnant right now and you told your mom, how would she react?
I don't know, you know. I feel like my mom, because my mom had me at my age right now. She's 20. Well, I'm 21. She had me when she was 21. So I feel like she should be sad about it, and I feel like she obviously wants the best for all of us. So like, I think she would definitely be supportive, but I just feel like she would just be disappointed. Because just like, she don't want that for her kids, because obviously like, she was dealing through a lot, having twins.
Wow.
And then she had...
You have twin siblings?
Yeah, I'm a twin.
You're a twin?
Yeah.
Oh, that's what Maggie was talking about. You have a brother, innit?
Yeah. I was like, oh my god, like, I had you at 21, like, it's mad, like 21 is so young, so...
Are you close to your twin?
Yeah.
Who that?
I know, I don't know, it's just when I say, oh yeah, I'm a twin, people go, oh my god, like, I think it's just because it's just so rare. Not rare, but like, you don't really hear it that much.
What, does he look like you?
No, we don't look alike, we're not identical.
What can I ask? You know, okay, you know after you had yeah, did you feel disappointed or like?
Let me tell you, I was so weird. Like I knew, yeah. I don't know what, like, I wouldn't say I was pressured, but like because like at the time, yeah, everyone was. And I had a boyfriend at the time, so obviously it was weird. Like I felt like not numb, but like it felt strange. Like I was like, oh, so that's
how it feels.
Basically.
Like, did you think too much of it? Like,
I was over. Yeah, at the time I was like, I don't know nothing. Like I was one of those girls where it's like I was afraid to do a lot of things. I was like, oh my god, like a frigid, like what they say, frigid. I was just like scared. Like I was holding on to my first kiss for so long because I was like, oh my god, like how's this gonna go? Da, 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 da. But yeah.
You actually had your first kiss at 16?
Yeah.
I had like when I was 10. It's nice. Where's the parting?
I don't know. I mean, it could be just like a it's the straighten, there's a proper straighten it.
But I can't comb it.
Listen, we gotta just do what we have like right now.
Or I'm gonna braid this.
Why?
Because you know, like I've seen you do like a braided wig, and after I think you've been through a heartbreak. After you went
really
through
listen to me Maggie's conversation.
After you went through your heartbreak or like your last relationship, did you think you will find love again, or are you in love right now?
I broke up with my ex. It was hard because with someone like you always like believe that I'm just gonna spend the rest of my life with that person, and then obviously things just went wrong. But I was never that type of person to be like, oh my god, I will never find love again. I always just thought that I would probably find someone a lot better, someone that I want, that really loves me, someone that really takes time with me, appreciate me. Like I know there's someone better, if that makes sense, out there. So like I'm not in any rush to find someone really. I'm really just taking the time to get to know me and just grow as a better version of me, really.
Good.
So yeah, that's it. Elevate up.
Your ex meet your family?
No, he saw my dad, but that's it. But I've always wanted to like arrange it where he will meet my dad. So I think that's a really important thing, and it just shows that like I was proper serious. For me to even tell my dad about you, it's like, oh shit.
That is scary.
I think it's good though. I think because you're young, but obviously like it's good that your parents know what you're doing at an age where we're gonna get married soon. So you have a long time.
Not really.
Not 15, so the next like 10 years.
No.
When do you want to get married?
I'm at 18.
Taking the piss.
One of my aunties got married at 19.
Listen, you're 15 now, yeah, and you find relationship cringe. So do you think you're gonna change in the next couple years?
I don't know. What do you think of LGBT like?
Community. Oh, this is cute.
I know, duh.
Oh, you actually braided it nice. I think now you should straighten. Obviously I love everyone. I'm not gonna say you know how they have different genders? I don't know that, so I don't want to say something that I don't know. But I do like the community. I even worked at Gay Pride, helping people direct them to like different places. Yeah, it was fun. I've been to Black Pride. Black Pride is so lit. It's literally like carnival.
Is it like BLM?
No, it's like it's just carnival, but just gay people. and there's like just bare like food, drinks.
Vibes.
Yeah, it's a vibe. Like I went with my friend. I was like, oh my god, this is.
Oh, sorry. I need that bunny.
It's fine. Like I had fun.
Okay.
Oh, you got it straight.
I know. If you had a child, yeah, and they told you that they want to be gay or whatever, how would you react, or what would you say?
Know me, the type of person I am. I'm very emotional. I'll probably cry. Cause like, what can you say? Like, if they've already have an opinion or they want to be gay, I can't change that.
True. You can disown them.
I don't have that in me. Like, I just don't think I could ever do that, and I think it wouldn't sit well with me as well. Know me very well. It's a big change, you know. So yeah, I don't think I'll ever disown someone that's my child that is gay, or I will never kick them out of the house, never, because
that's nice.
all I want them is just to be happy.
Like smoking and drinking at like a young age. Like people my age smoke weed.
I smoked weed at your age.
All my days were. Then what happened? Like, how was it just normal?
I smoked weed at your age, but I wasn't like.
You don't like it was like a few times.
Yeah, definitely won't let my kids smoke or drink, because it's like, why are you smoking or drinking? I mean, like in my dad's household, like with us, we would drink like maybe wine when we eat. But that was actually, I didn't even have wine at that age. I think around 17 to up until like now, we can drink wine or have alcohol with our food and that. No.
Okay, what do you want to be when you're older? Like,
do you know what? Yeah, I don't really have an idea of what I want to be, but I definitely want to go into the marketing world.
really?
Yeah, because obviously I study it in uni. I definitely want to go into advertising. I think that's fun. I just want to go into something that's very creative, where I have like, sis, you need to straighten this properly.
This is straight.
Do you want me to quickly straighten it, like so that the video? You did well though.
Can I ask if you experienced something?
Yeah, go ahead.
All right. If it's too personal, just let me know.
I will let you know.
Okay. Can I start?
Yeah.
Have you ever experienced like sexual assault?
No.
Really?
No. But I know people that's been, and how it's like affected them in terms of like dating, just like normal day stuff.
Alright.
So I haven't been through that.
Opinions on like BBLs, like plastic surgeries.
Oh, because I got my lips done.
I was thinking of my name.
Obviously, I feel like obviously we should love the way your natural body is. But if you feel like you actually want to get it done, then get it done. It's your body. You're the one that's paying for it. And I know that a lot of people have negative views on like getting your body done, but I just feel like you can just go to the gym and get it fixed. But some people are just want an instant effect.
Do you think it's right or wrong? Or
I don't really care too much, but
you just won't prefer it?
yeah, I wouldn't get it done myself. I'll be so scared.